This project proposes a vision to identify and bridge specific gaps in essential emergency resources and services for the local deaf and hard of hearing community. Situated in Monroe County, New York, Rochester is home to the largest per capita population of deaf and hard of hearing people in the country, making it the ideal location for this type of research. Stage 1 preparatory activities revealed significant gaps in emergency resources and services for both the deaf and hard of hearing community and public safety professionals that have positioned this project for successful, rapid Stage 2 deployment. Problems for the deaf and hard of hearing community in emergency management persist. For example, a mass shooting in Lewiston, Maine resulted in the tragic deaths of 4 deaf and hard of hearing individuals. The community was further traumatized by the lack of American Sign Language interpreters during official broadcasts. During our project, survivors of the Lewiston shooting came to the National Technical Institute for the Deaf to a summit that we held on public safety for the deaf and hard of hearing. Our project has involved working with 3 community partners: the Monroe County Office of Emergency Management, the Rochester Recreation Club for the Deaf, and the Deaf Refugee Alliance. Project goals include assessing emergency service gaps for the deaf and hard of hearing, creating and evaluating emergency communication tools, developing educational materials for public safety professionals, and building pathways for the deaf and hard of hearing to enter the emergency management, STEM workforce, and volunteer efforts. All project goal outcomes have been designed to be scaled nationally and sustained.
Hello, my name is Qing Miao, the co-principal investigator on the grant. We have been conducting surveys with county government emergency managers across the country and the local deaf community to understand the specific issues.
Hello, my name is Dr. Jason Rotoli. I'm an emergency room physician at the University of Rochester Strong Memorial Hospital. I've been able to engage local emergency first responders, deaf and hard of hearing community members, and deaf FEMA representatives to develop an emergency communication catalog called DC3 that can be used by emergency first responders to communicate with deaf and hard of hearing people during emergencies.
Hello, my name is Jim Fugate. I'm a professor at the National Technical Institute for the Deaf, NTID. I'm also a co-PI for the CIVIC project. I prepared 2 deaf students to work for a summer internship with the Monroe County Office of Emergency Management, OEM. The students had a great experience working with OEM, learning the basics of emergency management. And also the people at OEM learned a lot about deaf culture working with the deaf interns.
In the Center on Access Technology at the National Technical Institute for the Deaf, our team has been developing the Broadcasting Emergency Alerts, Crisis Outreach, and Notification, or Beacon tool. Beacon is an advanced alert system that delivers immediate and accessible notifications through visual and haptic cues for the deaf and hard of hearing community. We've also been using digital mapping technology to develop a tool called DeafMap, which allows the deaf and hard of hearing to collect information about community hazards. The entire design of DeafMap has involved deaf and hard of hearing community members on the design of the interface. I've also been leading the effort with our other team members to develop education materials for public safety officials. Specifically, we are developing a course that aims to enhance emergency professionals' awareness of deaf and hard of hearing individuals' needs, ensuring their inclusion and equity through all phases of the emergency management cycle. Sustainability plans include, but are not limited to, commercialization funding from the National Science Foundation, transferring education modules to the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and developing degree and certificate programs for deaf and hard of hearing students to study emergency management. For more information, visit us at our project website. Thank you for watching.